Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the cord of a generator Kickstarter. Here you can see a generator Kickstarter. In this place is a coil that can be used to store mechanical energy. But the first thing you should do is to make a knot at the end of the rope. Make a knot at the end of the cord. And now you're going to wind this rotator here anti-clockwise. You wind it anti-clockwise. Keep winding gently until it no longer moves, but do it very gently. Right now, it can no longer move. Now the next thing you should do is to pass this cord here through this point and then let it go through the other end. Make sure the rope is buried in this hole here, and then pull it out gently. Then allow the rotator to move now. Now this will pull the rope inside. Then make a knot at the other end of it. And that is it. Your Kickstarter, it's now working. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.